So the ChatGPT 4.0 or the Omni, where you can just have a conversation with it. Let's say you want to build an online course and you want all the slides laid out for you. You want everything basically put in place. You even want the schedule to get it done in a weekend. Watch this. I've got it pulled up on my computer right here and I'm just gonna have a conversation with it. Hey, so I want to build an online course and I want to build it in a weekend. I want it to be 9 steps long and I want there to be 3 modules for each of the steps. And each module is going to have 1 video in it. And then I'm going to record actual slide decks for each video. So I would need you to create the slide deck for each video and tell me what to say in it. And the topic is how to create an online course and sell your knowledge online. Sell your advice online, basically, using the platform Skool, where they can put the course in the classroom. They have a community, they have a calendar where they can put their weekly Q&A calls that they'll be doing on Zoom. And I want to teach other people how to do this, how to figure out what they're going to talk about, what their knowledge is going to be covering, and basically just the whole thing laid out for me so that I just want to be able to teach them.
Got it. Let's break this down into 9 steps, each with 3 modules. Each module will contain a video with a detailed slide deck and a script.
So this is the desktop app, and it just laid out the entire slide deck for me for the whole entire course. It gave me the entire breakdown of what to say on each part, what to even talk about. And then it gave me a schedule, and it starts out Friday evening, preparation and planning. It's all here now. Like, you can create an entire course. It'll lay it all out for you. It'll even tell you what to say, but now you have to put that into life. And you do that by creating the actual course. And then you're gonna be doing the coaching on top of it. Now, here's the important thing. I already know this stuff, right? I've created this course before. So it's important that you really do understand this, what you're gonna create a course over, because you could just create a course over anything, even if you know it or not, which in one way, if you do actually create that whole course, it's gonna be helpful to somebody. But then when it comes to coaching them, that's gonna be another thing. You're gonna have to really learn what it is that you're doing. You're gonna have to figure out what you're gonna be talking about. But with this here, you can learn how to do it very, very quickly. You can ask it, how do I actually do this particular step? And you can teach yourself this stuff, and then you can be the one to coach people on it. You can bring other people in too that know about the topic, and then you can coach people. The key is coaching people, because as you can see, information is in organized abundance and it'll just give it to you right here. The important thing is that you get somebody the actual result and that you focus in on a particular thing and help people with that. But instead of being scared of this tech, you should be grateful for it and appreciative and know that you can get things done so much faster and you can create so many more opportunities. Let me know down in the comments, what do you think about creating courses like this? And what are some of the things that you think are good and bad about this?